Ever notice tiny black dots on your cat's chin that look like dirt but won't wash off?
What you're seeing is actually feline chin acne, a surprisingly common but often overlooked skin condition in cats of all ages and breeds. Those black specks are clogged pores, similar to blackheads in humans. If left untreated, they can become inflamed, sore, and even infected, causing real pain for your furry friend. Rubbing their chin on furniture, or seeming less interested in eating, can be important clues. What looks like a sweet nuzzle or affectionate rub could actually be your cat's way of trying to soothe an itchy, irritated chin. So, what's causing this hidden irritation? Surprisingly, the culprit is often right under your cat's nose, literally. Plastic food and water bowls can harbor bacteria and irritate sensitive feline skin, leading to those pesky blackheads. Feline chin acne is a surprisingly common skin condition in cats, known medically as follicular hyperkeratosis. In simple terms, this means that the hair follicles on your cat's chin start to overproduce a protein called keratin. When there's too much keratin, it mixes with natural oils and everyday debris, clogging up the pores and creating the perfect environment for skin problems to develop. At first, you might notice tiny black specks. These are blackheads, or comedones, nestled under your cat's chin. They're easy to overlook, but they're actually the first warning sign that something's not quite right with your cat's skin health. If these clogged pores aren't addressed, things can quickly escalate. The area can become inflamed and infected, leading to painful red bumps or even pus-filled pimples. This inflammation can make the skin tender and sensitive to the touch, causing your cat real discomfort. You might see your cat scratching at their chin more than usual, rubbing it against furniture, or even losing fur in the affected area. These behaviors are your cat's way of trying to relieve the itchiness and irritation, but they can actually make the problem worse by introducing more bacteria. Imagine having a sore or breakout on your chin that you just can't escape, especially when you're trying to eat or drink. For cats, this discomfort can turn mealtimes into a stressful experience, making them hesitant to approach their food or water bowls. Over time, this can lead to a reluctance to eat, gradual weight loss, and even changes in your cat's mood or behavior. Some cats may become irritable or withdrawn, while others might seem lethargic or less interested in their usual activities. While certain breeds or individual cats may be genetically predisposed to chin acne, the majority of cases are actually triggered by environmental factors. This means that, in most situations, there's something in your cat's daily life that's setting off the problem. The main culprit? An external irritant that introduces bacteria to the sensitive skin on your cat's chin. Most often, this is the food or water bowl, especially if it's made of plastic or isn't cleaned regularly. Bacteria and oils can build up on the surface, transferring directly to your cat's skin every time they eat or drink. Stress can also play a role, making your cat more susceptible to flare-ups. But the root cause is usually something you can address at home, like switching to a different type of bowl or improving hygiene. By recognizing these early signs and taking action, you can prevent a minor skin issue from turning into a painful, ongoing problem for your cat. Regularly checking your cat's chin and keeping their eating area clean can make a big difference. And remember, the number one suspect in feline chin acne cases is almost always the plastic bowl. Switching to stainless steel or ceramic and washing bowls daily is a simple step that can help keep your cat's chin healthy. Plastic bowls are everywhere, cheap, colorful, and convenient. But plastic is porous and develops microscopic scratches over time, even if it looks clean. These tiny cracks become breeding grounds for bacteria, impossible to fully sanitize. Every meal, your cat presses their chin against this bacteria-laden surface, transferring germs to their skin. Washing plastic bowls can make things worse, creating more scratches and hiding places for bacteria. Even dishwashers can degrade plastic, releasing harmful chemicals. This cycle turns a simple bowl into a constant source of irritation and infection. The result, chronic exposure to bacteria, leading directly to chin acne. Plastic bowls are a fundamentally flawed choice for your cat's health. The convenience just isn't worth the risk. It's time to rethink what your cat eats and drinks from. Here's how it happens. Every time your cat eats, their chin presses against the bowl, especially if it's plastic. Over time, the surface of plastic bowls develops tiny scratches and grooves, which are nearly impossible to clean completely. These microscopic crevices become the perfect hiding spots for bacteria, which stick around long after the meal is over. The chin is naturally rich in oil glands, and it's a tricky area for cats to groom thoroughly. This combination of oil, leftover food particles, and bacteria creates an ideal environment for germs to multiply right under your cat's nose, literally. As oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria build up, they clog the pores on your cat's chin. This leads to the formation of blackheads, which may look like tiny dirt specks, but are actually the first sign of feline acne. When bacteria get trapped beneath the skin, they multiply rapidly. Your cat's immune system responds, causing redness, swelling, and pain. What started as a few black dots can quickly turn into an inflamed, uncomfortable mess. In response to the irritation, your cat may scratch or rub their chin on furniture or with their paws. This breaks the skin, allowing even more bacteria to enter and making the infection worse. If left untreated, these infections can become severe, leading to painful abscesses and requiring veterinary intervention. What began as a minor issue can escalate quickly, affecting your cat's appetite and overall well-being. All of this trouble starts with the invisible world of bacteria thriving in your cat's food bowl. Even if the bowl looks clean, bacteria can linger in those tiny scratches. Something as simple as choosing a plastic bowl over ceramic or metal can have a huge impact on your cat's skin health. Plastic is much more likely to harbor bacteria, while smooth ceramic or stainless steel is easier to keep clean and safe. Preventing chin acne is much easier than treating it. Regularly washing your cat's bowl and switching to a non-plastic option can make a world of difference for your pet's comfort and health. By simply swapping out your cat's bowl, you can break the cycle of infection and help your cat enjoy mealtime without discomfort. Don't let bacteria turn something as routine as mealtime into a nightmare for your cat. The fix is simple. Ditch plastic bowls. Replace them with non-porous options, stainless steel, ceramic, with intact food-grade glaze, or glass. Stainless steel is durable, non-porous, and easy to sanitize, often the best choice. Choose food-grade stainless steel for safety and longevity. Ceramic bowls are great if the glaze is intact. Discard any with chips or cracks. Glass bowls are also non-porous and easy to clean, but handle with care to avoid breakage. All these materials prevent bacteria from hiding and multiplying. Switching to the right bowl material removes the main source of chin acne. It's a small investment for your cat's long-term health. Choose wisely, and you'll see the difference. Your cat's comfort and well-being are worth it. Material matters, but so does bowl shape. Cats have sensitive whiskers packed with nerve endings. Deep, narrow bowls can cause whisker fatigue. Signs include pacing, pulling food out with their paw, or leaving food behind. The solution? Wide, shallow bowls that let your cat eat without whisker stress. This design makes meals more comfortable and enjoyable. Elevated bowls can help older cats or those with arthritis by reducing neck strain. Some feeding stations offer tilted bowls for even better posture. Combine the right material with the right shape for the perfect dining setup. You'll prevent chin acne and support your cat's sensory needs. A happy, comfortable cat eats and drinks better. Switching bowls is just the start. Daily cleaning is essential. Wash food and water bowls thoroughly with hot, soapy water every day. Use a dedicated sponge or brush and rinse well to remove all soap. Dishwasher-safe bowls can be sanitized at high temperatures. For mild chin acne, gently clean your cat's chin with a vet-recommended antiseptic wipe. Never scrub or squeeze. Apply a warm compress to soothe and open pores. Most mild cases clear up with consistent cleaning and the right bowl. Never pop pimples. It's painful and can worsen infection. Good hygiene is your best defense.